He was a bus driver, and he said that he actually went to Richmond during that same time when he was a coach. And he said he wasn't even mean like that.
He knew Coach Carter?
Yeah.
Oh wow.
Yeah,
that's funny.
Apparently, Keith's cousin Tim,
Oh.
he played the Richmond team.
Oh,
team.
really?
Yeah.
Was he there at the time?
What do you mean?
Carter.
And the destination's on your right.
You want your
Y'all, okay, so we're here at Safeway. In Richmond. Richmond. We're in Richmond at Safeway. We're looking for let me refresh. So we're on our way to go river rafting in Sacramento, but we stopped here at Safeway to get some food. See, Safeway, and it's basically like some kind of grocery store, maybe like Publix or something. I don't know what the locals call it. But I stepped outside to get. I was like, let me go get a sandwich, so I'm not hungry. But I stepped outside and it was freezing cold, like mad cold. So I don't think I'm gonna go out being hungry. I'm gonna just go. Just go. It's cold. I'm not inappropriately dressed. I'm just wearing, you know, my outfit. But where's the entrance? Oh, that's Starbucks. I'm gonna go this way.
going so far?
Oh, it's going good, girls.
Good.
Busy.
Yeah, I see, right? Yeah. It'll go by quicker.
I like it busy, though.
Right? Same.
Yeah, because when it's busy, stay here. When it's busy, it's more, you know, they
Keep it going, yeah. The momentum keeps going. Yeah. The day go by quicker.
I like it.
Yeah,
H-Town. Other thing, I like nice beaches.
Beaches?
No?
No, there's no beaches.
What is out there to do?
Brunch, lit, party.
Oh, party.
Yeah.
Where's the beaches? Oh.
It's far. It's like a 2-hour drive. Yeah. And it's not even nice beach. That's so cute. I can't. Okay. Okay, you paid $37. I like that. I'm crying. Oh, you are hilarious. I love it.
What bridge is this?
I watched your vlog too. It's good. Yeah.
Yay, I'm glad you liked it.
I was like, okay. Get to the water.
Gotcha. Leave the chips? Or are we taking this?
Yeah, we're bringing the chips. I want a cup.
You wanna help me carry this?
Yeah, I can pull that and then.
I see this have no wheels. You gonna bring the camera?
No, I'm not.
Yeah.
I'm
Say,
scared.
risque.
Yeah. Just getting the food. You said what, Z?
I said, what else can I hold on to?
Slide. One more slide. And then what?
Thank you very much.
And then slide out.
And get it. You gotta go like this, literally. And I'm gonna you're catching me, I'm catching you. See, okay. Right here. Slide. Oh, okay. I couldn't bring my camera, so I'm vlogging from my phone, and we're just gonna make it do. I got my paddles.
You guys could just post up over here while they're doing I gotta grab some for the hurry up before somebody picks
Oh man. Oh. We can turn it around.
Oh yeah,
We just turn it that way. Is it cold?
Please stop pulling it out.
Right here is my the girls are only double in the projects, mad at myself when I put it to the side. Mama had to take it.
Just turn it back. That's why we paid.
I feel in the rich this week to floor my
I got my can. Yeah, water.
Tell them now. Oh, she's saying it's disgusting.
Perfect, thank you. Okay, I'm gonna put here.
I put my life into my job and I know I'm in trouble. She manipulate my love.